Why does India celebrate Republic Day on January 26? The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. However, it was officially promulgated only on January 26, 1950, a day India celebrates as Republic Day. The reason for choosing January 26 lies in the importance of the date in India's freedom struggle. On January 26, 1930, the historic Poorna Swaraj Declaration was promulgated, beginning the final phase of India's freedom struggle that would culminate in India attaining complete independence from British rule. Simon Commission. In 1927, British authorities appointed the Simon Commission, a seven-man, all-European team under Sir John Simon, to deliberate on political reforms in India. This was met with widespread discontentment and mass protests. In response to the Simon Commission, the Indian National Congress appointed its own commission under Motilal Nehru, father of Jawaharlal Nehru. The subsequent Nehru Report demanded that India be granted dominion status within the empire. This would maintain India's allegiance to the British Crown while providing Indians with greater say in their rule. Dominion versus Republic. Notably, within the Congress, the Nehru Report did not enjoy universal support. Younger leaders like Subhas Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru wanted India to break all ties with the British Empire. For them, attaining dominion status would not fundamentally alter India's subservient position to Britain. Furthermore, it would make India party to colonial exploitation elsewhere in the British Empire, mainly Africa. However, for a long time, Mahatma Gandhi stood firmly pro-dominion, seeing it as a welcome step in India's anti-colonial struggle. His views would change in 1929 when Viceroy Irwin went back on his previous pronouncement assuring Indians that they would soon be granted dominion status. With the British unable to follow through on even the most reasonable reforms, the Indian public and the Congress would grow increasingly radical, culminating in an energetic session in Lahore in 1929. Declaration of Poorna Swaraj. On December 19, the historic Poorna Swaraj resolution was passed in Lahore, literally meaning total self-rule, sovereignty. The resolution read, "The British government in India has not only deprived the Indian people of their freedom but has based itself on the exploitation of the masses, and has ruined India economically, politically, culturally and spiritually. Therefore, India must sever the British connection and attain Poorna Swaraj." This declaration of independence was officially promulgated on January 26, 1930. The Congress urged all Indians to come out and celebrate independence on that day. The Indian tricolour was hoisted across the country by Congress Party workers and patriotic songs were sung. After independence from 1930 until India finally won its independence on August 15, 1947, January 26 was celebrated as Independence Day, or Poorna Swaraj Day, with Indians reaffirming their commitment towards national sovereignty on that day. Thus, when leaders had to decide on a day to promulgate India's new constitution, January 26 was considered ideal.